What's going on, y'all? Hadley Basson here, and we're back. We're gonna try to catch something, anything today, really. I went out, I don't know, 5 times and caught nothing. So we're using a worm and that cricket hopper you just saw. So let's see what we can get today. Going for anything. I'm gonna try probably for some gills first, and then go for some trout. Feeling good about today, honestly. We got bluebird skies, but good wind cover. All right, let's try casting right over here. Bet you there's something hiding out. Oh yeah, Gil already going for it. First cast, buddy. Yes, sir. Nice little guy right there. Didn't even take my worm. Oh, damn. He's feisty. Just jumped right on the edge. That's crazy. Oh, first fish, first cast. Can either be good or bad. Even catching little bluegills is fun, honestly, dude. Because after catching nothing for so long, it's just a good feeling to catch anything. Got another one. Nailed it. Come on. Let go. Let go. Hey. There you go. These fish are cold. Hands are already freezing. Nice one. There's a pretty good possibility I could get a trout on this thing too. It's happened before. Because they usually sit, I don't know, they sit around this area. Because it's a pretty big drop off. Ooh, I see one sitting right down there. You better get sniped. Oh yeah, if I'm casting up this far, very good chance I could get a trout. But the only problem with that is if I hook it, I'm probably gonna gut hook them, and I'm not trying to take them home. But I will if I have to. Could do a catch and cook video. You never know. Oh, I see one, and I'm on. Oh, I did get a trout. I did get a trout, dude. I don't have my net. Of course. Oh, I'm gonna let him free for a second. My net. Give me my net. Not good, not good. Oh, he's right there. He hasn't run. Ooh, that's a nice one. He's fighting like a stocky. His friend's right behind him. Not what I was expecting, but I'm not exactly surprised. Oh, nice. That's a good one. Hooked right on the top of the mouth, too. Bring him over here. Oh, you get to see this fish. Nice stocky. Decently safe release, too. Alright, I'm proud of that. Look at that. Nice. Very happy about that, dude. Such a good feeling. Yeah, they're going around, dude. I see him. Alright, I'm gonna try out this cricket hopper now that I see him, because I saw about 3 more, or 2 more, just sitting right there. So I already caught 3 fish in the span of 3 minutes, or 10 minutes, I mean. It's a very good sight. 2 of them obviously were bluegill, but fish is a fish, dude. One just whipped after it, dude. I'm gonna try over by the dock. Spot's not looking too good. Probably gonna move all the way down there. Alright, nothing chased my lure, so Yeah, very tiny bass right there. See if I can cast right over here. Oh yeah, just gonna bring it right over here. Nice bluegill. They're active. He's fighting good. Ooh, get off of the tree. Get off of that tree. Yeah, this is a sizable one. Nice one. It's a slab right there. Look at that. Nice fish. I can see you. Ooh. Nice. Decent one right here. Come on. There we go. Nice little one. Anyway, that's it for the video today. Hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure to like, subscribe, and do whatever. It all supports. Drop a comment. Let me know what y'all want to see. I'm gonna get back into the videos now because didn't over the winter. We had a crappy winter. The weather was terrible. I could have been on the ice, like I said, until March. So, and that's what it is now, is March. But, you know, stuff happens. You just gotta deal with it. Fishing's gonna be slow, but I'll be trying to pump out videos. Every time I go, I'm gonna record, so we'll just see what happens. Alright, thank y'all for watching. Hooked onto a huge trout. Oh, I side hooked him. Damn it. I didn't want that to happen. This one's huge though. Yeah, I'd side hooked him. Damn it. Oh no. He was aggressive though. He tried to go for it, but yeah, he's hooked in the fin. He's still swimming around though. I'm gonna try to get my pliers out. Damn it. Yeah, look at that. I hooked him right in the fin. He ain't hear it though, so. Okay. Alright, I can't call that a fish catch, so I'm gonna let you go. Nice one anyway. Can't call that a fish though. He really was trying to go for it. Like, it was about right out there. I could see the reflection. He was like darting at it. Like, that was an aggressive trout. He just didn't get the hook as well as I thought he would. Because when I jerked it, it hooked him right in the side. Not even bad though, he wasn't bleeding or anything. Just very on the top of the fin. Surprised it stayed on, honestly.